Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video and brand new segment of mathematics. In this video, we are doing a neat trick on how we can calculate the days on the week and the day it could be on. So for example, if 1st February is Friday, then what day will be 30th November 2020? We can actually figure this out with math. So, first what you need to do is figure out if 2020 is a leap year, because if it is, it will make the days different. To do that, we need to divide it by 4. Since most of you know the tables, 5 into 4 is 20, so we can remove 20 from there, the first 20 of 2020. Then we have to bring down 2, and now since that is not a multiple of 4, we can put 0 and move on. And now we can bring down another 0, and since that becomes 20 again, we can put 5 and remove the 20. Now 2020 is now a leap year, so it makes 366 days instead of 365. But we do not need December and January because we're only going from 1st February 2020 to 30th November 2020. We do not need them. So 31 plus 31 is 62, and 62 minus 366 equals 304. 304 days, we need to convert them into weeks, so it'll be easier for us to figure out what day it is, because after every week the day becomes the same. So we need to divide 304 by 7. 304 divided by 7. First we need to find out what's there for 30, because it is not there in the 7 times table. But 4 or 28 is closer to 30 than other answers. So 2 and bring down 4. But 24 is also not a multiple of 7. So what will it be? 3 has 21, which is most closest to 24. But that leaves 3 out. So we need to add 4 more days to 304 to make we need to add 4 more days, because 4 plus 3 will make 7, and 7 will multiply that. So 308 is 304 plus that. So we can do the whole division sentence again, but then now it's 44. 0. So 44 weeks, but then we also have this 4 days. So 4 days minus Friday. I'm going to erase that real quick. So Friday, if 1st of February is Friday, then 30th of November will be, we need to count back from Friday minus 4 days. So Friday going backwards is first Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then Monday. Monday is So then we figure it out. 38 30th November is Monday. Now for the other question. If 9th October 2018, which is my birthday, was Tuesday, then what day will be 31st of December 2020? Though this seems like a very hard question, it's actually very easy. Since we know that 2020 is a leap year, we just take the whole year, 366 days, and then we also take 2019, which is 365 days, because every 4 years is a leap year. And then you have to take 2018, but the only remaining parts are December, November, and part of October. So we need to figure out how many days of October are left and add them all together. So 31 plus 30 plus 9 minus 31, which is equal to 22. 22. That is October. So now we know that 31 plus 30 plus 22. Now we have to do this. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8. So now we have to add 366, 365 and 83 together. 366 plus 365 plus 83. First we have to add the ones. 6 plus 5 plus 3, that will make actually I need some time on this. That will make 14. Now we have to carry over 1. Then 6 plus 6 plus 8 will make 21. Then 3 plus 3 plus 2 will again, as we showed in this, 31 plus 30 plus 22 is 8. So then we have 814 days between. And now we have to find out how many weeks that is. We do that by dividing it by 7. 814 divided by 7. First we know that 8 is not a multiple of 7, but 7 is very close to 8. So we'll put 1 and then minus 8 and minus 7. Now we have a remainder of 1. Then we'll bring down 1 again and then minus it again with 7. And that will make 4. Now we have to bring down the other 4. And that can be divided by 6. And that will only make 40. Oops, we moved into another page. Yeah, we have to jump back in. It's in the wrong page. So we'll move back. 44 minus 42. We kind of made a mistake here. So 44 minus 42 makes 2. But that's a remainder. And we can't have that. So we will add 5 days because we needed to make another week. And 5 plus 2 makes 7. So 800, and now 19 divided by 7 should make our final, but not totally final, answer. And now, so now we have 117 weeks. But we added 5 days. So 5 days minus Tuesday will make sorry, I had a cough. Will make Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, and then drumroll please, Thursday. Thursday is our final answer. So 31st of December 2020, if 9th October 2018 or my birthday in 2018 was Tuesday, 31st of December 2020 will be Thursday. Hope you enjoyed and learned how to calculate the days of the week and the day it will be. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.